In this video, you'll learn how to change your location country in Udemy. This process allows you to update your account settings to reflect your desired country, which may also alter the currency and pricing displayed on the platform. Begin by logging into your Udemy account. Once you are signed in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This action will direct you to your profile details, where various settings related to your account are available for modification. Next, navigate to the section labeled Account Information. Within this area, look for the field designated for your country or region. Here, you will find the current country selection displayed. After clicking on the country field, a list of countries will appear. Scroll through this list or use the search feature to find your desired country. Once you have located the correct country, select it to update your account information. Once you've made your selection, it is important to confirm your changes. Look for a button labeled Save. Click this button to apply the updates you have just made. In some cases, you might need to refresh the page to see the new region settings take effect. Keep in mind that changing your location may affect the currency and pricing for courses displayed on your account. It is advisable to check these details after saving your changes to ensure everything is set as you wish. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.